Hey, welcome back. Grampzquad here with another quick little video for you. 2009 Cadillac CTS. So I believe that's between 8 and 15. The cabin air filter is not quite that easy to get to. A lot of them are usually in the glove box, behind the glove box. This one here is behind the cowling. You got to go through the engine bay. Let me show you here really quick. Okay, I've got three little 7mm bolts you have to take out. There's one here, there, and there. Now it looks like you at first have to take the wiper blades off and take that whole piece off, but Cadillac was smart here. So if you pop this thing up, here, let me widen that a little bit. Pop this thing up. It's actually in two pieces. So don't go start taking off your wiper blades and stuff. Save you a little bit of time. So now we're in here. The air filter is down there. So the next step here is there's two bolts holding on the plastic cover here. And a nut on this guy here. Then you've got two more nuts over there. And then mine, I don't know if it ever been off, but it was kind of stuck to the firewall. So you got a little pry bar there and pried it off. And then you pull the whole plastic unit away. And here is the air filter. So finally, after all of that, you can just get this guy out. Take a look at that. Yeah, it's probably never been changed. I would really doubt it, because the way it was stuck to the firewall there, that is solid full of dirt. Gross. Okay, we'll pop in a new one here. All right, here we drop the new one in. There's a couple little tabs at the bottom that just pop it onto, and it kind of helps you slide it in there. And then once it's down at the bottom, then you just kind of squeeze the sides in over these little tabs, and it's in. All right, there you go. Like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. It helped you out any. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.